How to split screen on Sea of Thieves. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can split screen on Sea of Thieves. So the very first option that you should do is you can simply place Sea of Thieves on your PC and your iOS or your phone as well. So the steps that you should follow to split the screen is the very first step is to open your split Sea of Thieves, and after you do that you will see the option of settings on the down bar. So when you see the option of settings, just tap on the setting option. Now after that you need to go on the controller, scroll down and then press on the reset to default now option, which you will see very clearly on the screen. And after you do that you need to go on the gameplay. After going on the gameplay, again scroll down and then you will see the reset default button, which is very clearly seen. Again tap on that and now you need to go back and see your screen if it is splitted or not. So this should solve your problem and would help you a lot. Do follow these steps and see if it helped you or not. If you liked our video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video.